Stop. Before you buy another Seiko or Casio, watch this. In 2026, watch collectors are making a massive shift to Citizen, and for good reason. These 10 models offer solar charging that lasts decades, titanium builds lighter than aluminum, and precision that rivals Swiss watches at half the price. From dive watches to dress pieces, Citizen is quietly dominating. I've tested each one, and number 1 surprised even me. Let's see why everyone's switching brands. Number 10. Citizen EcoDrive 1. The EcoDrive 1 is the world's thinnest light-powered watch at just 2.98 mm thick. This ultra-slim marvel uses Citizen's solar technology to charge from any light source, eliminating battery changes forever. The minimalist design features a sapphire crystal and comes in elegant steel or rose gold finishes. It's perfect for formal occasions when you want something barely noticeable on your wrist. The Japanese quartz movement ensures accuracy within seconds per month. Premium materials include scratch-resistant sapphire and refined metal finishing. This watch represents cutting-edge engineering compressed into an impossibly thin profile. Pros: never needs battery replacement, incredibly comfortable due to slim profile. Cons: expensive for an entry-level Citizen, delicate construction requires careful handling. Number 9. Citizen ProMaster Aqualand. The ProMaster Aqualand is a professional dive computer on your wrist with 200-meter water resistance. It features an electronic depth sensor that displays current and maximum depth during dives. The analog-digital hybrid display shows both traditional hands and digital information simultaneously. EcoDrive technology means you'll never worry about battery failure during a dive. The rotating bezel helps track dive time, while luminous markers ensure visibility underwater. Built tough with a durable case and comfortable rubber strap for extended wear, this tool watch bridges the gap between diving computer and everyday timepiece. Pros: real depth sensor functionality, solar-powered reliability for diving safety. Cons: bulky design not ideal for daily wear, complex features require learning curve. Number 8. Citizen Super Titanium models. Super Titanium watches are 5 times harder than stainless steel, yet 40% lighter. Citizen's proprietary Duratect coating makes these watches virtually scratch-proof for daily wear. The collection includes dress, sport, and casual styles to fit any lifestyle. Hypoallergenic titanium is perfect for sensitive skin, unlike some steel watches. EcoDrive charging works through the dial, giving you months of power reserve. The lightweight feel means you'll forget you're wearing a watch during long days. Available in multiple finishes from brushed to polished for different aesthetics. Pros: incredibly lightweight and scratch-resistant, comfortable for all-day wear. Cons: higher price than steel models, titanium can't be polished if damaged. Number 7. The Citizen High-Accuracy Chronometers. The Citizen collection represents the brand's highest accuracy standard with +5 seconds per year. These chronometer-grade watches undergo rigorous testing and adjustment before leaving the factory. Premium finishing rivals luxury Swiss brands with hand-applied indices and multiple layers of dial. Each watch receives an individual serial number and comes with authenticity papers. The movements feature temperature compensation to maintain accuracy in various climates. Sapphire crystals with anti-reflective coating provide crystal-clear dial viewing. Limited production numbers make these collectible pieces for serious watch enthusiasts. Pros: exceptional accuracy rivals, expensive Swiss watches, beautiful finishing, and attention to detail. Cons: very expensive for Citizen brand, limited availability in some markets. Number 6. Citizen EcoDrive Chronograph, various models. Citizen's chronograph collection offers stopwatch functionality powered entirely by light. The 3 subdials track elapsed hours, minutes, and continuous seconds with precision. Models range from sporty designs to elegant dress chronographs for any occasion. EcoDrive technology eliminates the common issue of chronograph batteries dying quickly. Tachymeter bezels on sport models calculate speed based on elapsed time. Water resistance varies by model, with some rated for swimming and diving. The variety in this collection means there's a chronograph for every wrist and style. Pros: solar power solves chronograph battery drain issues, wide variety of styles available. Cons: busy dial designs can be hard to read quickly, some models are quite thick. Number 5. Citizen ProMaster Nighthawk. The Nighthawk is an aviator's dream with dual time zones and slide rule bezel. The black dial with luminous markers ensures readability in the cockpit or darkness. EcoDrive charging means reliable operation during long flights without battery anxiety. The slide rule bezel performs fuel calculations and conversions pilots need regularly. 200-meter water resistance makes it versatile beyond aviation use for water activities. The stainless steel bracelet includes a quick-adjust clasp for comfort during flights. This pilot watch offers serious functionality at a fraction of luxury aviation watch prices. Pros: practical pilot features at affordable price, excellent lume for night visibility. Cons: busy dial takes time to learn. Large size doesn't suit smaller wrists. Number 4. Citizen Atesa Eco Drive GPS or radio controlled. Atesa models synchronize with atomic clocks or GPS satellites for perfect accuracy anywhere. The watch automatically adjusts to your time zone when traveling internationally. Super titanium construction keeps weight down while maintaining durability and scratch resistance. EcoDrive means the advanced electronics never need battery replacement or charging cables. Sapphire crystal protects the dial while maintaining signal reception for time updates. Multiple designs from sporty to dressy fit various preferences and occasions. Japanese market-exclusive features make some models highly sought after by collectors. Pros: perfect accuracy worldwide through satellite sync, lightweight titanium construction. Cons: expensive technology comes with high price tag. Some features only work in certain regions. Number 3. Citizen Series 8 Mechanical Models. Series 8 brings Citizen back to traditional mechanical watchmaking with automatic movements. The in-house Caliber 952 movement features high beat rate for improved accuracy. Each watch undergoes extensive quality control with individual testing and adjustment. The design language is distinctly Japanese with balanced proportions and clean dials. Exhibition case backs showcase the beautiful decorated movement and rotor motion. Box sapphire crystals create vintage aesthetic while providing modern scratch resistance. Limited production maintains exclusivity and attention to detail in manufacturing. Pros: beautiful mechanical movement with exhibition back, excellent value for in-house caliber. Cons: requires regular wearing or winding unlike EcoDrive, more expensive than quartz models. Number 2. Citizen ProMaster Dive EcoDrive models. ProMaster Dive watches offer serious 200 to 300 meter water resistance for professional diving. EcoDrive technology is perfect for diving since you'll never have battery failure underwater. Unidirectional rotating bezel with luminous markers tracks dive time safely and clearly. ISO-certified dive watches meet strict international standards for underwater reliability and legibility. Durable construction includes reinforced cases and screw-down crowns to prevent water intrusion. Multiple dial colors and case sizes let you choose the perfect dive watch. These tool watches transition easily from ocean depths to office environment. Pros: true ISO dive watch capabilities with solar reliability, professional features at reasonable price. Cons: large dive watch size isn't dressy. Some models have limited bracelet adjustment. Number 1. Citizen Tsuyosa NJ0152 series. The Tsuyosa takes the top spot with its perfect blend of vintage design and modern reliability. The automatic mechanical movement with hand winding offers traditional watchmaking at an accessible price. The applied indices and logo give the dial a premium three-dimensional appearance. Date complication sits at 3 o'clock for practical, everyday functionality without cluttering the dial. The bracelet features mixed, brushed, and polished, finishing that rivals much more expensive watches. Multiple colorways from classic silver to bold green let you express personal style. At under $300, this watch delivers Swiss-level finishing and Japanese mechanical reliability together. Pros: exceptional value with premium finishing details, versatile design works anywhere. Cons: no hacking seconds makes precise time setting difficult. Mineral crystal instead of sapphire.